Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 14. Zulkifl alayhi salam. Name: Zulkifl alayhi salam. Meaning of the name: the possessor of responsibility or double portion. Identity: mentioned twice in the Quran as among the righteous, in Surah Anbiya and Surah Sad. Lineage and background: some scholars say he was from the children of Israel. Many believe he was not only righteous but a prophet. Allah knows best. Tafsir Ibn Kathir: some narrations say he was the son of Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam. Others say a devout man from Bani Israel. Life and mission: entrusted with a leadership or judicial role in his community. Known for fairness, patience, truthfulness and devotion. And remember, Ishmael, Idris and Zulkifl all were of the steadfast. His responsibility: he accepted a difficult task to judge among the people by day and worship by night without anger or neglect. He fulfilled this with excellence, earning his title. Narration Ibn Jarir. He never missed fasting or prayer. His prophethood: some scholars like Qatada and others consider him a prophet. Others consider him a righteous man, but always among the steadfast. And remember Ishmael, Elisha and Zulkifl, each was among the outstanding. Family and legacy: little is known of his family. No details in Quran or Sahih Hadith. Legacy is in his title: a man who fulfilled responsibility without fail, a role model for those in leadership or under test. Quranic mentions: Surah Anbiya mentioned alongside Idris and Ismail as a steadfast. Surah Sad listed among the outstanding and chosen. Death: some narrations say he died in peace after a life of devotion. Grave: his grave is claimed to be in Iraq or Syria, though unverified. Exact location or time of death not confirmed in Quran or authentic Hadith. Key qualities: sabr, patience; sidq, truthfulness; adl, justice; ibadah, worship; praised for not losing temper, never missing prayer or fast. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.